Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add and manage multiple Outlook accounts on one computer. This is especially useful if you have more than one email address, maybe one for work, one for school, or even another from Gmail, and you want to manage everything in one place using the Outlook desktop application. Instead of switching between different apps or browsers, you can keep everything organized in one dashboard. Don't worry if you're new to this. I'll walk you through the process step by step in a simple and clear way. So let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open your Microsoft Outlook desktop application. Once it opens, you'll land on the main dashboard where all your emails are displayed. Now, if you've already been using Outlook, you might notice that you already have one or more accounts connected. For example, you might see different inboxes listed on the left side. But adding another account is very simple, so don't worry about how many you already have. Now, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. Here, you should see an option labeled Add Account. It might look small, but this is the key option you'll use whenever you want to add a new email account. Go ahead and click on Add Account. Once you click it, Outlook will prompt you to enter the email address you want to add. This can be an Outlook email, a Gmail account, or another supported email service. Carefully type in the full email address. Make sure there are no mistakes, because even a small error can prevent the account from being added correctly. Now let's move on to the next step. After entering your email address, click on the Continue button. At this point, Outlook will begin the process of linking your new account. Depending on the email provider you're using, you may be asked to complete some additional steps. For example, if you're adding a Gmail account, Google may ask you to sign in and give permission for Outlook to access your emails. This is a normal part of the process and helps keep your account secure. Simply follow the on-screen instructions and allow any required permissions. Once you complete these steps, your account will be successfully added to Outlook. You'll now be able to see it alongside your other accounts and switch between them easily. This means you can read, send, and manage emails from multiple accounts without leaving the application. It saves time and makes your workflow much smoother. If you ever need to add another account in the future, you can simply repeat the same steps. The process stays exactly the same, no matter how many accounts you want to include. Before we wrap up, here are a couple of quick tips. Try to keep your accounts clearly named so you can easily identify them, and make sure your login details are correct when adding a new account to avoid any connection issues. Using multiple accounts in one place can really improve your productivity, especially if you're managing different roles or responsibilities. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add multiple Outlook accounts on one computer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions or need help with anything else. Now, let's quickly summarize what we did. First, we opened the Outlook desktop application. Then we clicked on the Add Account option. Next, we entered the email address we wanted to add. After that, we clicked Continue and followed the authentication steps. Finally, we completed the setup and accessed multiple accounts in one place. And that's everything you need to get started.